Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on your phone. So guys, when you want to open your Roblox and Roblox is not opening or not launching, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your phone. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, secondly, after connecting internet connection, you need to open your Play Store on your phone, and guys, here you need to search a Roblox app. And guys, you need to update your app if not updated. As you can see here, I have an update. So guys, simply you need to click on update, and guys, update your app. And guys, after this, simply you need to go back. And guys, the third one option is you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on apps management, and guys, click on app list. And guys, here you need to find Roblox. So guys, simply you need to open this app here, and guys, you need to click on storage and cache. And guys, simply you need to click on clear cache and clear storage as well. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open your settings again, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, click on system, and guys, you need to click on reset phone, and guys, you need to click on reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys, simply after this you need to go back, and guys, you need to update your phone to latest version. So guys, maybe this problem is occurred due to your phone update. So guys, if you have this type of any kind of update on this tab, so guys, simply you need to update your phone, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.